If you're watching this video, then probably you are thinking, is it really worth it to start affiliate marketing in 2022? And this is the most common question that I get asked. Can we make big money with this business? So in this video, I'm going to reveal what this business is all about, the pros, the cons, who is it for, and what results you should expect from this. Hey, what's up everybody? My name is Muneeb Mohammed and I make videos on making money online on this channel. If that is something that you're interested in, then consider subscribing to this channel. That way you never miss an update when I upload any video. Alright, so the most common question people have in their mind is affiliate marketing. Is it really worth it? Especially in 2022, there are a lot of different ways to make money on the internet, right? You have crypto, you have stocks, e-com, NFTs, and all these amazing ways. But is it really worth it for me to start this marketing business? So before we start, let me explain you what is affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is nothing but partnering up with existing companies who has a product or a service that you can market them and make commissions. Now, some companies will pay you 50% commission and some might pay you 75-80% commission whenever you make a sale. This is where you don't need to have a huge team. You don't need to have your own product. You don't need any major expenses for customer support, shipping and handling and all those things. All you need is a skill of marketing and sales to make money. You can start to make a few $100s a day quickly. Yet we see a lot of people fail in this business. To be precise, 95% of the people who start affiliate marketing just fail. It is not because it is some sort of a scam or something. It's because they don't understand the concept of having a marketing system that works 24/7. Affiliate marketing is more than just sending your affiliate link everywhere on internet. Let me just be honest. If you just promote affiliate links, you're gonna be miserable in this business. And like most of the people, you're gonna quit. I'm sorry to say that, but that is what's gonna happen if you follow the wrong model. And in this video, I'm gonna prove it to you in much more detail. So if you go on internet and type in how to do affiliate marketing, you will find a lot of results. And here's the problem. 90% of those strategies that doesn't work in real world. People are just preaching nonsense just to get some likes and views. Anyway, I'm gonna break down all the things about affiliate marketing in great detail in my on-demand webinar that you can watch right now. I'm gonna leave the link in the description below, so register your seat for that. All right, so let's talk about what's going on. Why do you need to start this? If you've been looking for something, that doesn't require a lot of money, that doesn't require you to create your product, or deal with shipping and handling or to have your own inventory, you don't have a lot of capital that you can invest, then I think you should definitely look into affiliate marketing because you can start working with Fortune 50, Fortune 500 company, you can start working with them. You just need a laptop with internet connection. And let me show you some statistics that will blow your mind. Number one, so in 2022, affiliate marketing is set to be worth $12 billion. Let me tell you this, I was a little surprised when I found out that because I thought this is a little smaller than what I was thinking. No, I'm not telling 12 billion is a small number, but affiliate marketing is there from a while now. But here's the crazy thing. Since 2015, in the last 7 years, affiliate marketing has tripled. In 2022, e-com in US alone is expected to be $1.6 trillion. Now we are talking numbers. And that is a 16% growth. And I think especially after the pandemic, people are going online more often than before for shopping. But here's the thing. Affiliate marketing is only 1.2% of the total e-com world, just in United States. So it is growing at ridiculous speed. It is only 1.2%. That means it's a huge opportunity. That's why I want you to attend this on-demand webinar where I'll show you how you can partner up with all these major brands that are selling online, that people are already gonna buy those products anyway. You're just making commissions in between. That is mind-boggling. So if you haven't registered your seat, do it now. Link is in the description. Let's move on. So how do you define a good opportunity? You find something that is growing fast, but it is small in adoption, which is 1.2% of the market. That is opportunity. All right. Number two, 81% of the brands have an affiliate program. So if you want to work with your favorite brand like Nike, Puma, Adidas, or whatever, you can partner up with them. And whenever you recommend anyone that brand and they buy it, you make money. I want you to notice this. 81% of the brands who are generating $1 trillion in revenue understands the importance of having an affiliate program. So I want you to take advantage of this. No matter what niche you are interested in, they all have affiliate programs, from health and and fitness, finance, real estate, dating, softwares, you name it, they all have affiliate program. But don't follow the wrong model and waste your time. Click button below and join me in an on-demand webinar. And if you think you have received some value from this video, then give me a thumbs up and share this with your friends. All right, that's it for now. I'll see you in the next video.